Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best recipe box is probably one of the most essential tools for any home cook, and finding the right one can feel like searching for a culinary holy grail. Today, we're diving deep into the world of recipe boxes, exploring their features, comparing different options, and ultimately helping you decide if this is the perfect addition to your kitchen arsenal. Get ready to organize your culinary life. Number 5. Culinary Couture Extra Large White Bread Box. Tired of stale bread? This bread box extends the shelf life of your bread and pastries. The lid shuts firmly to protect your bread, and the holes at the back allow air circulation to keep it fresh. Save space and declutter your countertop with this stylish bread box. It's large enough to store loaves of bread, bagels, and more. The classic design adds a vintage touch to your kitchen. This bread container isn't just for bread. You can use it to store other solid foods or any item. It's a convenient option for keeping things fresh and organized in your kitchen, workshop, or anywhere else. This powder-coated bread box is made from stainless steel, so it won't rust or lose its shine. It's a durable and long-lasting bread holder for your kitchen counter. Looking for a great gift? This vintage bread box is perfect for homemakers and bakers. It comes in a beautifully designed gift box, making it an elegant present for any occasion. What we like? This bread box is designed to keep your bread fresh for longer, thanks to its airtight seal and air circulation holes. It also boasts a sleek design that adds a vintage touch to your kitchen. If you're looking for a stylish and durable way to store your bread and pastries, you should consider this. What people say. The recipe box is well made and sturdy. The dividers are a nice touch and help keep everything organized. It's the perfect size for holding a large collection of recipes. Number 4. Meadowsweet Kitchen's Recipe Card Holder. This mini 2-ring binder is perfect for organizing your favorite recipes. It comes with everything you need to get started, including recipe cards and clear sleeves. Inside, you'll find 25 recipe cards, 50 clear sleeves, and 9 dividers to categorize your recipes. This set is designed to keep your recipes safe and easy to find. The binder measures 7 inches tall, 6.25 inches wide, and 2 inches deep. Its compact size makes it ideal for any kitchen, and it doesn't take up much space. You can also get the matching full-size cookbook to store even more recipes. Refills for the cards and sleeves are also available, so you can keep expanding it. Unlike recipe boxes, this book-style format saves counter space. Keep it with your other cookbooks for easy access. Plus, you can save by bundling it with other items. What we like? This recipe card holder comes with everything you need to start organizing your recipes, including cards, sleeves, and dividers. Its book-style format saves valuable counter space. If you are looking for a compact and organized way to store your recipes, this is a great choice. What people say. The recipe box is well made and sturdy. The dividers are a nice touch and help keep everything organized. It's the perfect size to hold a lot of recipes. Number 3. Dekali Designs Rustic Recipe Box with Cards and Dividers. This recipe box has a distressed finish, giving it a vintage look. It's perfect for keeping your recipes organized or as a thoughtful gift for someone special. The box comes with 50 double-sided recipe cards and 12 dividers. Everything you need to start organizing your favorite recipes is included. It features double slots, allowing you to stand 2 recipe cards on top. This makes it easy to read and follow recipes while you cook. You'll also receive access to a 10-day online cooking course. Learn valuable cooking techniques from a professional, a $19 value, absolutely free. A baffle in the middle of the box ensures that your recipe cards stay upright. This prevents them from falling over and keeps everything neat and tidy. What we like? This recipe box has a vintage look and comes with recipe cards and dividers, making it a complete package. The double slots allow you to easily view your recipes while cooking. If you like a rustic aesthetic and need a user-friendly recipe organization system, you should consider this. What people say. The recipe box is well made and sturdy. The dividers are a nice touch and help keep everything organized. It's a great size and holds a lot of recipes. Number 2. Rustic Wooden Recipe Box with Cards and Dividers. This beautiful recipe box is perfect for keeping your family's favorite recipes safe. It comes with plenty of cards, so you can preserve your traditions and pass them down through generations. Keep your recipes organized with the included dividers and stickers. You can sort them by meal type or cuisine, making it easy to find what you need. This will make your kitchen more efficient. Each card has space for ingredients and instructions. Whether it's a simple weeknight meal or a complex holiday favorite, this box has you covered. Made from real wood, each box has its own unique grain and tone. This makes it a thoughtful and personal gift for any occasion. When you purchase this recipe box, you're also supporting a good cause. Half of the profits go to help pregnant women facing challenges. It's a purchase that makes a difference. What we like. This recipe box is crafted from real wood and includes 100 double-sided cards and 20 label dividers for easy organization. It's also a gift-ready set, perfect for any occasion. If you are looking for a beautiful and functional way to preserve your family recipes, you should consider this. What people say. They still had plenty of room for them to put additional recipes from their moms and grandmothers and still room to continue to collect. Love the card holder on the top. Made from real wood throughout, it's slightly fragile, but considering what its purpose is, it doesn't need to be built like a Mack truck. Dividers are sturdy, recipe cards are well detailed and roomy, the magnetic lid keepers are a nice touch. Number 1. Ironwood Acacia Wood Recipe Box. This recipe box is handcrafted from acacia wood, known for its rich, dark colors and unique patterns. It's designed to protect your cherished recipes and keep them organized. This organizer features 2 compartments and includes 10 divider tabs. It's perfect for organizing your 3x5 or 4x6 recipe cards, and the grooved lid holds your card while you cook. Beyond recipes, this box can store jewelry, keepsakes, essential oils, or craft supplies. It's a beautiful and versatile storage solution for any room. The exterior measures 7 inches wide, 6 inches deep, and 5.5 inches high. Each interior compartment is 6.25 inches wide, 2.5 inches deep, and 4.4375 inches high with the lid closed. To care for it, wipe with a damp cloth and dry immediately. Apply butcher block or mineral oil to preserve the finish and prevent the wood from drying out. This will keep it looking great for years to come. What we like. This recipe box is handcrafted from acacia wood and features 2 compartments and a grooved lid to hold your recipe card. It is also multi-purpose and can be used to store other items. If you are looking for a stylish and versatile recipe organizer, you should consider this. What people say. The recipe box is well made and sturdy. The dividers are a nice touch and help keep everything organized. The box is a good size and holds a lot of recipes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.